I'm Leanne Sanford.
Hey, well, I'm Tim. I'm 53.
My name's NICOLA McCrave.
So my name's Eric. I am 21 years old.
My name is Sarah. I'm 22.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm 22 years old.
My name is TALVI. I'm 29.
We start out with the fundamentals in design, giving them that foundation to become the best designers.
They have to become experts in the field of software and pop culture and understanding trends and understanding themselves.
We see a lot of success with students getting jobs in various fields.
I used to have this program back home, but after like 3 years studying about it, I feel like I want to learn more. So which is why I decided to come to Fanshawe and study.
But I'm hoping to learn a lot of skills that I necessarily wouldn't pick up by myself, just playing around with, Photoshop and InDesign and whatnot. It's beneficial to have the teachers here to help me improve on my skills.
You don't have to be a great artist to be here. You just have to have an eye for how things look in composition.
Just meeting everyone with similar passions is really fun.
This is such a huge commitment, but it is really rewarding. You get a lot out of it. Your portfolio is amazing, but you have to put in the time and the effort to get there.
But this environment's really pushed me to make new friends, and that's been awesome.
Well, I think what I love most about this program is having the ability to mentor people through this important stage of life.
It's really rewarding to see the students develop their skills and grow as designers in this program.
I wanted to do this, and here I am loving my program.